What's the meaning of cringeworthy? Cringeworthy. Cringeworthy.
Cringeworthy. Cringeworthy. Cringeworthy is an adjective used to describe something that causes discomfort or embarrassment. It refers to a situation, action, or statement that is so awkward, embarrassing, or difficult to watch that it elicits a physical or emotional reaction of cringing or wincing. For instance, a stand-up comedian who tells inappropriate jokes, a person who constantly brags about themselves, or a movie scene that makes the audience feel uncomfortable. In short, cringeworthy is something that makes people want to look away and feel secondhand embarrassment on behalf of others.